It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLA. This GLA is the perfect mix of flexibility, fuel efficiency, and fun, with engineering that delivers capability, luxury, and class-leading innovation. It comes nicely equipped with features you'll love: auto shift manual transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, dual zone climate control, Embrace 2 external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, driver and passenger memory seats, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,